How's it going, everybody? I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video, and I know it was right after the injectors and you guys have so many questions. Life has just taken over and it has been an absolutely wild ride. So as of 1 month ago, Sierra and I are officially married. We are Mr. and Mrs. Powerstoke, and that is amazing. Let me tell you what, guys, when you get to marry your best friend who drives you, pushes you to do things like this YouTube channel. I wanted to start this. It's something kind of crazy to bring to the table, but she fully supported it, and I cannot be happier. She's an amazing woman, and I couldn't ask for a better life partner. And on top of that, this year has just been really crazy. We bought our first house, we got her a new car, we got rid of our travel trailer. It's just been a crazy year full of big milestones, and it's not stopping. That's why I haven't been uploading much. That's why I have been really absent. Most weekends are taken up with doing a lot of other stuff. I haven't really had downtime to come sit in the garage and make a video. And another big thing, the merch store went live. This is a purple long sleeve in the royal purple. It matches the truck really well. Super awesome, guys. Go check out the merch store. It helps support the channel. Plus, you guys get to rock some cool merch and make great Christmas presents. What else? You can wear them. And as you can see, we got the cool Casey Turbos banner in the garage now. It's starting to feel like something in here. It's a little cold. That's why the garage door is closed. The truck doesn't fit in here anymore because of all the mess. But then again, whatever. Life took over. Like I said, I haven't had much time to actually come out here and just kind of hang out and get back to what I love. And on another note, you guys, this is kind of serious. So 90% of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed. Just hit that subscribe button, please. It helps me out a lot. It helps me know that you guys are enjoying the content. And if you don't like it, you can change your mind later. But I promise there'll be something that I upload that you'll like, especially with the new injectors in the truck. There's a lot of new things that are gonna be coming. Since I know you guys are here for the purple truck, we're gonna go ahead and open up the garage door, and I'll give you guys a quick fire up. Why not? Oh yeah. So it's a little bright out here, but as you guys can see, the purple is pretty close to the truck. So if you want to, see what the purple looks like on the truck in person, if you live across the states, pick up a shirt. So naturally, I would do a nice big poll on the truck for you guys. Since the new injectors, you guys haven't gotten to see that yet, but she has a pretty bad oil leak right now. I don't know where it's stemming from. I have a feeling it's the high pressure oil pump that it was just replaced. So I wouldn't be surprised if that high pressure oil pump is actually bad. But we're gonna go ahead and just do a rebuild kit. I bought one when I actually was doing the injectors. I intended on doing it. But we got a rebuild kit from Napa here. It's just a bunch of O-rings. So I'm gonna see if I can rebuild it. I have a feeling that's what it is. I've seen a similar leak to this when my high pressure oil pump went out like a year ago, or 2 years ago now. Not too worried about it. I just need to take care of it before I go romping around on it. I don't want to be leaking oil everywhere like I already am. So on my way to and from work, I've just been babying the truck, not romping on it. It's been really difficult because when I first got the injectors done, I always have my foot in it, but I'm getting amazing mileage now, so that's pretty cool. So that's all I've got for you guys this week. Kind of a slow video, nothing really crazy going on. The truck is still running. The injectors are awesome. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I'll do a Q&A video. I'll try to answer as many of those as I can in that video, so I'll just be like, I'll let you know that I saw your question. But for real, if you guys aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you all who are watching for watching. You guys are awesome. You guys make this channel go round. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video.